Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you step by step through setting up the Duopod for your Sibley tent. The Duopod is a clever center pole that creates extra space inside your Sibley tent. It's available for the Sibley 400, 450, and 500 models. In this video, we're using a Sibley 500 double door. Install the Duopod only after your tent is fully set up with the standard center pole. The Duopod comes in a compact carry bag. Unfold the two long poles and place them in a V shape inside the tent. Then attach the top connector. Reduce the tension on the tent by slightly loosening the guy lines. Tilt the center pole slightly and carefully bring the Duopod upright through the door opening. Once the Duopod takes the weight of the tent, remove the standard center pole. Adjust the Duopod to stand fully upright. Use the center pole to help position the top accurately. Place the feet of the Duopod neatly centered between two seam lines in the tent fabric. Restore the tension on your tent by tightening the guy lines again. Your Duopod is in place. There's a loop at the center of the Duopod for attaching an inner tent. That's how you install the Sibley Duopod. Thanks for watching, and happy camping!